I'm here to see Mr. Gravelli. I was sent by a mutual friend.
Come on. Someone here to see you. Yeah.
Oh, so you're the one who's getting involved with that nonsense for my dear friend James Pecorino.
I don't know what you're...
Spare me, please. I'm an old man. I ain't got much time left. Our mutual friend told me everything. Thank you. It made me laugh.
My pleasure.
People are so damn vain.
Some people?
All people. Even you, even me, an old man facing the end. And I still care. Care how I look. Care that when I shit myself, the pretty nurse has to clean it up. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, well, you know...
And I care about my legacy. I've worked hard for this line of work. Now some Russian assholes think they can march in and take control of rackets my family has run for 50 years.
You mean 50 years of you bleeding the city dry might finally come to an end?
I know it's a terrible tragedy. But if it wasn't me, it would just be someone else. So it might as well be me.
Yes.
Let me tell you, that faggot friend of yours, Bernie Crane, his boyfriend, he's being blackmailed by them damn Russians. They want him to put certain contracts up for tender. Windows, bus lines, cleaning, ones we control. These Russian fucking bastards are trying to finish us.
What do you want me to do about it?
I want you to work with me.
In exchange for what?
The police have a file on you an inch thick. In exchange for that. In exchange for that guy you've been asking about being brought here from wherever it is he's hiding, Switzerland or some shit.
Okay, good. What do you want me to do?
A good friend of mine is coming into town to give a speech on the new threat to Liberty City, Russian organized crime. I got a feeling some people ain't gonna want that speech to happen. Maybe the guy you love, this Dmitri Raskolov, has an interest in keeping the story out of the press. Make sure our boy gets to City Hall. He's coming in from upstate. He'll be at Grand Eastern Terminal on Bismarck. Thank you.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kasam Sensei here, bringing you back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Entourage, which it's like the first mission for Mr. Gravelli. So of course the task is to protect his friend. So you have to head over to this destination here.
You guys waiting for me?
Nico Bellic, right?
Yeah, that's me.
Stay in convoy with us all the way to City Hall. All right?
Sure.
Okay, there you go. So you just get into the car and then just go and pick him up. Of course, I smashed the window already, so just prepared. Just getting prepared for the, let's say, for example, any drive-bys that I had to go to. So, of course, eventually you drive over to this area, and you see that there is a roadblock. So, of course, it is being diverted.
Take a deep breath, John.
So So there you go. So it seems like.
I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Diversion begins.
Driver, why is this road closed?
And then eventually this road is closed again. And then you get yourself into this cutscene.
This definitely wasn't mentioned on the traffic report. I'm gonna go and move the barriers.
Come on, Mr. Jefferson. Let's get out of here.
Oh, so there you go. So that car explodes. So luckily you obviously get into good cover already, protecting Bobby Jefferson. So just look at the red map, and of course more guys would spawn out. So just watch them out. And try and see, and of course see the red arrows, they pointed up. So that's where your enemies are. So you just have to watch out. And of course, you got to take them all out. Just try to get this guy. Stop hiding. Nice. Some more guys will come out. Just focus on the map. You see that bit? Because I didn't look on the map, I really would have died. Focusing the other way.
Not so confident. Stay down.
Okay, keep going. Check out that guy and that guy that almost taken me out. Where is he? Show yourself. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Cool. There he is. Now just these last two guys onto the roof.
You all happy
That's it.
now?
Nice. So now just get back into the car and pick up Bobby Jefferson. And of course pick up some health at your own discretion if you like. I just picked it up just in case because I'm pretty sure that we're going to get into a more cars chasing us. So you see those red maps there? So you just had to, you don't really have to kill them. You can if you want to, but you don't really have to. So you just drive and just try to lose them. Simple as that. I mean, they're really easy to lose. So just try to find a straight, you know, just find a straight line. And just drive really fast, like I did there. Got into the dual carriageway. So of course, so just follow on to the map after we're done, and then you just head over to this city hall. Just drive there. Where is it? Okay, just around the corner here, and then just get in. There's the marker. Get into the marker to complete the mission.
I don't know who you are, but you got me here. Goes to show, some immigrants have the best interest of the country in their hearts. I'll tell John you did well.
Alright, there you go. Once you completed that, you'll get a cool $12,000. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.
Mr. Grovelli, I took that friend of yours to City Hall. He should be giving a speech any minute.
You did good. Heard you had some trouble along the way. You can always rely on those Russians to try something. How are we supposed to compete with these immigrant criminals when they want it so bad?
You're working with me, aren't you, Mr. Grovelli? See you later.